What's up everybody, Blue Freddy here, and today, once again, we're playing Sonic Boom Cannon 2. Today, it's about Tails. And which world should we go in? Most likely this one. Now, I remember now. Well, that was crap. Let me reshoot. Ew, and on the other videos like a few days ago, those videos are with my cousin. So if you think this is his channel, it's actually my channel, and I'm 6th class. Yeah. Anyways, well, now that's Tails. So that was normal Tails, or classic Tails, even though there's no modern Tails. Next one we're gonna do is, next character is Mecha Tails. Which shield should he have? I think I'll have the minus damage. And in this area. Because it's space. And robots are in space. That was really bad. Okay, this is much better. Way better. Okay, next character, we have the Tails doll. And what should he have? Obviously a balloon. And he's gonna be here. Because this looks like a dream area. Whee! You died already? Really, Tails doll? Oh, here he goes again. So this might be short, but I won't know how long it will go. Trust me, I won't. Tails doll isn't affected by the lava. Yeah. Okay, next character we have is... Remember last video it was Silver? Yeah. Anyways, next video is... next character is Hyper Tails. Or I like to say Super Tails, because I think that sounds better. The next Sonic Boom episode, I might be doing Super Sonic. Trust me. Super Sonic. Or, no, not just Super Sonic, but I might do all the Sonics. You can do this, Tails. Yeah, we did, Tails. Now let's do a better run for you. Like, for example, this run. See how long this run goes. Damn, that's high. So, here's an explanation of this game. It's basically where you have to get coins, or rings, I should say, to get other characters, and maybe you also have to get some stuff from the shop to buy some shields, I think, and maybe some emeralds so that you can turn supersonic or hypersonic, whatever. Okay, I'm almost finished. Oh crap! Dead Tails is still alive. Who knew? Is Tails gonna stop here and now? Nope! He still goes. This is why Tails is my favorite character. Oh, come on. How did he not get slowed down by the Tails doll? Oh no, is he gonna land on that? Oh, thank God. Oh no, don't you dare land on that thing, thank God. Don't land on any of those. I'm speechless. Don't you dare land on that cricket. Thank you. Okay, well, I guess that's all for the video, everybody. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe if you want. Maybe like this video if you want, and maybe put a comment down in the video below. I'll see you guys in the next video.